Hey, it's Ride the Wind e-bikes. Ta-da! We have the epic Light B from Surron, Light B X. There's no more S. So we just, this just arrived, got it assembled, and this is my first impression, raw footage of just seeing it. First of all, yeah, it's lighter to the Talaria X3 Pro. It's got the battery removable, but I'm just sitting back and admiring it and going kind of like, what are the difference? I always knew that the Surron was more agile. So when people come in and look at the Talaria, you know, versus the Calafin, you know, what is it? Yes, the lightness of this is incredible. You could throw this thing around. Fit and finish is beautiful. I like the coloring. The suspension looks more, but until I do a comparison, the chain, everything looks just a little bit extra. Comes with a few cool features. First of all, it's a 60 volt, 40 amp hour lithium battery. Top speed is 80 kilometers. It's got parent controls. It's not the remote. Oh, on the little one. That's okay. That's the Hyper B. We're gonna do that next. That's the parent control. Okay, never mind. It's got a wire to do some diagnosis on it. So there's a few little things on this that I really like. And here's a big one, is that it comes with a NIVIS. What does that mean? It means that you can actually plate this as a dirt bike. That's something that the other companies have not provided. So there you go. You want to be legal going on trails, you can plate this just as you would a regular gas one. So comes in a few different colors. I haven't even sat on it, so let me sit on it. I'm 5'3". I can't wait to ride it. Sits a little taller. I like the display on it, simple that way. So yeah, first impression, I don't know why we didn't bring these in sooner. So you have a kickstand safety on this, so I can't throttle it. So I myself, I'm gonna put this on this box so that I can do a freewheel. And I believe that I can. I'm gonna turn it off for safety measure. Oh, I can. Oh my God, I just manhandled this thing. Let's turn for the camera. Holy, I just picked that up. Actually, I believe it is 75 kilos. So what, I just picked up 100 and something pounds. All right, let's turn it on. Kickstand up. Woo! Holy no, I put it on max. I'm shaking. Holy shit. Loud, but it's torquey. I still have butterflies from that. All right, there we go. That's scary.